Today we're going to be unboxing Thanos Marvel Pop.
Show it to the camera so they can see what it is. Thanos.
And if you want to get these are all the holidays. Okay. And as you can see, it's Christmas, and the one who's filming this video, put it on your face. Show him.
Me?
Yeah,
No.
show him.
Why?
Because she got me V-Bucks. And I have Super Smash Bros. And there's a game in my Xbox and Sound Lighting. It's my new video.
Nice.
So I'm gonna go get some scissors and let's do this. Okay. So I'm gonna be showing you how to do the basics. So come over here, and then I'll show you. So first you're gonna want to, if you don't have scissors, then you're gonna have to get a knife or something. You're gonna have to do this, and that's gonna open up, and then here you go. You're gonna see it, but you're gonna be like, how'd you get this out? It's easy. All you need to do is just take it, get it, take it out. See? As you can see, I'm using Thanos because I got it for Christmas. Now, you have to take off the headpiece. He's pretty big, as you can see. You have to take him. And then, we'll be putting him on my stand. That's where I put all my bobbleheads I have. And this is going to be my biggest one. I'm putting it next to the special occasions one because this is nighttime Deadpool and this is regular Deadpool. Now, here's a special bonus. We're going to be showing you a lot of stuff. Come on.
Bye.
Everybody out.
We're leaving.
Wait, where are you going?
Christmas. Okay, done. Goodbye. Hope you had a good time. Please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a notification bell so whenever we leave a
Speak
new
clearly so they can understand what you're saying. Speak clearly and slow.
Get candy in his mouth.
So whenever we post a new video, you